Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello, pianists. In this video, I will explain how to play Session 32 on piano. First, let's understand the piece's foundation. This composition is often in C major or a minor, featuring 3 distinct sections: an introduction, a main theme, and a coda. The tempo is typically allegro moderato, around 100 beats per minute. Begin by practicing the fundamental chord progressions in each hand independently to build a strong harmonic understanding. This initial step is crucial for mastering the piece's overall structure and feel. Now let's focus on the right hand melody. The opening phrase often begins on middle C, requiring careful attention to articulation. Use a smooth, legato touch for seamless transitions between notes. When encountering arpeggiated figures, ensure your fingerwork is even and controlled, allowing each note to speak clearly. Maintain a consistent rhythm throughout, counting eighth notes precisely to keep the melody flowing. Aim for a light, singing tone that carries above the accompaniment, bringing out the expressive qualities of the piece. Next, we turn our attention to the left-hand accompaniment. Your goal here is to develop a steady and supportive bass line, often utilizing broken chords or octaves. The left hand must provide a solid rhythmic foundation for the entire piece. Practice the chord changes smoothly, anticipating the next harmony to avoid any abruptness. It is essential to keep the volume balanced, ensuring the left hand supports the right hand melody without overpowering it. This creates a rich, full sound that enhances the overall musical texture. Finally, let's bring both hands together and discuss effective practice strategies. Start by practicing hands together at a very slow tempo, focusing intently on coordination between both parts. Gradually increase the tempo only when accuracy and fluidity are consistently maintained. Incorporate dynamic contrasts, such as soft and loud passages, to bring out the musical expression. For challenging sections, practice them in short, repeated segments of 4 to 8 measures until they are mastered. Consistent, focused practice will lead to a confident and musical performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.